everyone! Welcome to Kamsi Space. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Share to your family, share to your friends. God bless you.
Hello my viewers, in today's video, will I say a surprise to my mom? Yeah, because in our menu list, today is moi moi. So this video is to show you how to prepare moi moi. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to start by washing my hands. You know, it's very important to wash your hands before cooking. Yeah, like I said, this is a surprise for my mom. She actually washed the beans and put it in the fridge and left for work, hoping to make the moi moi when she comes back. But guess what? I decided to ease the stress from her and make it all by myself. So the ingredients for this recipe: washed beans. Like I said, my mom washed it. I don't know the quantity. Maybe I'll ask her when she comes back and leave the list of ingredients in the description box. Uncooked eggs, red bell pepper and tomato, corned beef, salt to taste, spices, ground crayfish, and onions. First, I'm going to grind the beans. I'm going to add pepper, tomato, and the onions. Yeah, I'm using this type of plate because this is what my mom uses anytime she's not using leaf. Then I'm going to rub the vegetable oil inside the plate. This should prevent the moi moi from sticking. See how I do it. Go by the side. Repeat it for all the plates. Now set it aside. Yeah, you see I've finished grinding the beans. See how it looks like. Now it's time to add the ingredients. I'll add the egg, the ground crayfish, vegetable oil, onion, spices. See, I'm using nutmeg. And water. I'm not adding much water because I don't want it to be watery. Now I'm going to mix it. Twist it. I'm using a spatula. See, it's too thick. I'm adding more water. Now I have to add salt to taste. Mix. Now taste for salt. Yeah, it's okay. Now it's time to scoop the moi moi into the plates. I'm going to add the corned beef. This is how my mom used to do it. I used to watch her all the time when she's making my moi. But now I know how to do it myself. Now use the moi moi and cover the corned beef. If this is the first time in our channel, you're most welcome. And thank you so much for subscribing. And if you have not, please hit the subscription button down and subscribe, comment, like, and share. Now my mom is going to love this. Please watch to the end so you see my mom's reaction when she sees me. I'm rushing now because I don't want to meet him here. I want this thing to be a big surprise. Don't forget to comment. Comment keeps me going. Please comment to her. This question. What do you think goes well with moi moi? Is it custard or pap or tea? Please let me know in the comment section. As you can see, I'm done scooping the moi moi into the plate. Now it's time to cook for 50 minutes. Yeah, the moi moi is cooking. Please watch the end of this video so you see my mom's reaction when she comes back. I really want her to see the surprise. I want to see her smile, to encourage me. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Yeah, the moi moi is ready. I can't wait for my mom to try it out. I believe she will love this. Yeah, my mom is back. I can't wait to see her reaction. Follow me.
Thank you. How are you?
Hi.
How is that? What is happening? Why are you people videoing it?
Come and see.
What is happening? What is it? Tell me. What is it?
It's a surprise for you now.
Surprise for us.
Yeah, come and see.
What is happening?
I've already made the moi moi.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Really? Hey, Kamsi, I hope you did not put too much salt. Shall we waiting for me to come back now?
No, mommy, I didn't want it to stretch.
Really? Hey, this is awesome. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. How many pots? Hey. What? This is you are the best. You are the best. Really? But I've not taught you how to make money. So this is why you've been watching me. Hey, I can't wait to test this. Awesome. Hey! Jesus Christ. Baby girl. Oh. Thank you. Guys, actually, I was planning on how to get to the kitchen when I get home. I never knew that my princess will save me this stress. Huh? Yeah, this is delicious. Delicious. Yeah. Thank you. This is really surprise. Don't worry, I will surprise you. Adamne, I will surprise you. Wow! Have you closed your video? Are you closing? Yeah? Guys, hope you really watch the video. Do you like it? If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment, share, and like. This is wonderful. Honestly, I've never taught her on how to cook moi moi. She only watched me several times cooking moi moi, but I've never put her through step by step on how to do it. I'm surprised. I washed the beans before I left in the morning. I actually put it in the fridge, hoping to get everything ready when I come back. I never knew that she will save me this stress. Honestly, today I'm so exhausted. I'm so exhausted. But what can I say? Please, parents out there, allow your kids to be around in the kitchen whenever you are cooking. Yeah, no matter the age, allow them. They will learn one thing or the other. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please watch out our next video. Maybe, what are you cooking the next time?
Cookies.
Cookies? Is it food? Aww. You will cook abacha. Abacha, you didn't cook abacha. You make abacha.